sorry, my fridge is running so fucking loud. Rude. Hey mom and random people on the internet watching this right now, it's Zizi and welcome back to another day of zizmas. For today's video I wanted to bring another classic back, which is baking with Zizi. Sorry, I don't have a jingle yet. Now, if you guys have been around for a while on this channel, first of all, thank ya. Second of all, you probably remember my baking fail videos. I've done like 3 of them, I think. So obviously I had to bring them back for the holiday season. This one you are watching right now is definitely not the only one of those videos. There are gonna be plenty more, so you just stay tuned. Also, if you are somehow new and have missed out, I'm uploading daily in December at this time. So if you don't want to miss out, please subscribe down below and click the bell so you will be the first one to watch every single video. They are all gonna be blooming entertaining, trust me. Anyway, let's get started. What on earth was that? Today I'm gonna bake some cookies. Are we surprised? Probably not. Everyone bakes like cookies at Christmas time. Or is that like just a German thing? Because like most Germans go like crazy mad around Christmas time. I just said it in my vlog, but some grandmas in Germany actually take it to the maximum and bake like 40 different kinds of Christmas cookies every single year. Meanwhile, I'm just here making Choco Crossies or like Rocky Road or whatever you want to call it in another video. But not today. Because today I'm actually gonna take out my most difficult recipe that I already did last year and it kind of worked, but we're gonna see if it actually works in this video. It's basically these yummy AF, unhealthy AF, like nut cookies thingies. I don't know. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen right now so you can see what we are trying to do, and then we're gonna see if I actually can like achieve that goal of a cookie. Actually gonna try to turn this video into a professional tutorial once again, although we all know that it's gonna fail. No, but for these cookies you basically need like 2 layers on top of each other. You need the dough and you also need like the nut butter thing that goes on top, like the sticky bit that's gonna taste yummy AF in the end. So first of all, we are gonna make that dough and get that on our baking tray, and then we're gonna put the rest of that nutty stuff on there. You know what I mean? So we're gonna need a bowl. This year I'm actually also gonna double the amount of dough and nutty stuff that I'm gonna make. I want to make 2 baking trays this year because they were so yummy and they were gone within like a few days, and I don't want that to happen again because like they are so much work to make. Just got my butter. When baking I basically always put my butter like near the heater so it kind of gets like all squishy and stuff, so it's easier to work with. Pro tip from your pro baking queen. I'm actually not at all a professional when it comes to baking or anything in the kitchen other than eating, obviously. I need 260 grams of butter just for the dough, and then we're also gonna need butter for the top bit. Got a knife, got a knife. Take my butter. Darling, you look hot today. Slice that into a few pieces, you know, as you do. Alright, hey. Oh wow, this is already getting messy. Are we surprised? I'm not. What else do we need? Okay, we are gonna double, so we need 260 grams of sugar. Oh wow, honey. And 4 eggs. So let's actually put in the eggs first. Out of my fridge. This is my fridge doll. I got a new lighting thingy. Let me know if you actually see a change. I haven't really figured it out yet, so please don't be rude. Alright, I crack my eggs in right now. Ooh, this is gonna be a disaster because I'm only good at cracking jokes and not at cracking eggs. I'm so fucking annoying. Let's get that out of the way. You know, there's absolutely gonna be shell in there somewhere, but we don't care. This is gonna be a sticky situation. Got my mixer and I'm gonna see you in a bit.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, so far it's looking like throw up. So I'm gonna add in the sugar right now. Wow, can you even see anything that's happening right now? I don't know my angles. I'm sorry guys. This is so unhealthy. Just like my mental state. Alright, now we've got butter, eggs and sugar. We basically need 600 grams of flour because I obviously like doubled the amount and stuff. So I'm gonna get that out of this big boy that I bought at the shops yesterday. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna get that out of there? This is gonna be messy. I'm actually gonna use this old cream cheese container, you know? Kitchen hacks with Zizi. This wasn't a good idea. It's all over the scales.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh, why is this happening? We're only like halfway done with the flour. Oh man. I actually think I'm gonna put like the other thingies on there, if you know what I mean. Oh gosh. Actually gonna... Oh my gosh, guys. Don't try this at home. There's raw egg in there, but fuck, this is yummy. Alrighty, we're back. So as I said, I'm gonna put the other things on my mixer, like these ones. Do you see something? Yeah, those ones. Haha, they are handy for that kind of shit. Can you see this? It's like all fucked up over here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to clean that later. The things I do for YouTube.
A few moments later.
Gosh, can you see this? I'm gonna have to go in with my hands, I guess, because otherwise this won't work. Oh well, wasn't planning on getting more than one video filmed today anyway. This wasn't supposed to happen, guys. That's actually ridiculous, isn't it? So I guess I'm gonna go in there with my hands now. Flour on my hands so it doesn't get too sticky. It will still get sticky, but you know, just trying here. Just the usual Thursday morning. Oh no, it's so sticky already. I did not sign up for this in the slightest today. So we definitely need more flour. But how am I gonna get more flour with this on my hand? Also about to stop recording and I need to press record again, and that's not gonna happen because I look like this. Gosh, I'm such a mess. It's all over the counter, it's all over myself, it's all over the fucking house. Man, I really don't remember that whole thing being that messy last year. What is going on? Guys, it's about like half an hour later. I just spent all that time trying to clean up the mess on my kitchen counter, like kind of, and also on my floor and stuff, because it just got messy with that dough. But I actually think it looks quite nice, you know? I think it worked in the end. So right now we're actually gonna put that dough on my baking tray to then put on the nut thing on top of it. So as I said before, I doubled the amount today, so I'm just gonna take half of that dough to then put on the baking tray. Once again, I'm just gonna put some flour on the baking tray so the dough just won't stick too much later on, you know? Then just gonna spread that all around the baking tray, basically. You obviously want to try to make like pretty straight edges, because later on you will cut this whole thing into the triangular shapes of the cookies. So now we are gonna focus on the top bit. For that I'm actually gonna move you guys to a part of the kitchen that you haven't seen in the baking videos yet, which is just over there. This is my stove, and this right behind me is my mess that we are just gonna ignore right now. Okay, fun. Basically what you want to do now is take a pot, and as we are gonna double the amount, we are gonna put 400 grams of butter in that pot to melt that, then also add 400 grams of sugar to also melt that. Actually, let's get some B-roll going for that because it looks satisfying AF. Yes, look at it! While that's melting, I'm gonna prepare the nut bits. Like normally you would use one pack, which is 200 grams. You know, just like nut, flour, whatever. But as we're gonna double the amount, I'm gonna use 2 of those. And then I'm actually gonna use the same amount, 400 grams of just like normal hazelnuts, but I'm gonna chop them up a bit so it gets like easier to eat and stuff, you know. Actually, that's gonna be the most fun that I have during the making of this video, because I'm gonna use that to destroy that. Hi y'all, it's a tad bit later and my nutty stuff in there is done. I also put some strawberry jam on top of my dough, and now I'm gonna put that nut stuff on there. Just gonna spread that all around the dough. That's done. I'm just gonna put that whole thing in the oven at about like, I would say 175 degrees Celsius for like 25 minutes up to half an hour, I guess. Once they're out of the oven, I'm just gonna cut them into pieces, let them cool down a bit, and I'm also gonna melt some chocolate, I think, to then dip them in because I feel like it's a nice touch. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I've been filming for like 2 hours, so I'm really over it, to be honest. I'm gonna insert some pictures of the finished product right now. And yeah, I hope you somehow enjoyed this mess of a video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also while you're down there, please leave a comment down below on what I should bake next, and also maybe things that you like to do during Christmas season. It may be baking something special, but also like something completely different. I would be interested to know about your guys' traditions. Anyway, don't forget to come back tomorrow. As you know, it's daily December. I'm gonna upload at this time. And subscribe down below and click the bell so you get notified and you can be the first one to watch tomorrow. If you don't have already enough of me, you can definitely check out my other social medias. I would love to get to know you guys and you can just like keep up to date, you know? Anyway, a preview for tomorrow's video will be in the end card as always. Until then, thank you for wasting your time with me today. Okay, bye! It means as much as like little cute bread, which I think is like the best thing ever. Wow, it's so foggy outside today. Really have to get ready for work, otherwise I will be extremely late. I decided on a sweater to wear. Are we surprised? Probably not. Now I'm gonna pop into the shop. Work hard, play hard. I really need to leave. People are watching me.